Hello, students. Welcome back. Today we're going to continue with our lecture series on subject and object pronouns. There's been several videos and things we've talked about in class, but today I want to make sure we have this concept down. We're going to talk about subject pronouns, we're going to talk about action, and we're going to talk about object pronouns. Well, first of all, a subject pronoun is a word such as I. A singular, I am going to the movies. Plural is, we are going to the movies. You are a nice person, and I'm going to see you and John tomorrow night. He, she, and it. He is a nice woman, a nice man. She is a nice woman. It, my cell phone, is dropped on the ground again. And we might be talking about Angelica. We might be talking about Key. We might be talking about Amand. They are nice people. They are going to the movies. So again, subject pronouns. They are the center of the sentence there. Jeff, instead of saying Jeff is eating lunch, Jeff is talking on the phone, Jeff is walking, we would say he is talking on the phone. He is eating lunch. He is walking. Instead of saying Angelica, we might say Angelica is eating and drinking and watching. We would say she is eating, drinking, and watching. For example, also, I'm going with Key to lunch. Key is the main subject in the sentence. Subject pronouns. Pretty easy. We've done a lot of them in our practice session. Then there are object pronouns. And object pronouns are things we're going to have to memorize and understand. And they include me, you, them, us, her, him, whom. For example, I'll go with him. Those are some object pronouns. You can see them right here. Again, me, you, them, us, her, and him, and whom. I will go with her. But then we have to think about the object pronouns. Number one, they're usually at the middle to the end of the sentence. Number two is it will tell you what action, such as I'm talking and eating and walking and riding. I'm talking and eating, walking, riding, watching and jumping and catching. And we talk about receiving the action. Now we have to build upon with whom are we receiving the action? With me? With you? With them? With us? With her? Remember, her is for girls and him is for boys. They is plural. Them is plural. These are things you have to remember when we talk about action. I'm talking with him. The action is talking with him, the boy. Or I'm talking with her, the girl. Again, the action verb that we're dealing with. This is very important. And getting the structure down. Again, object pronouns. You've got to memorize them. Me, you, them, us, and whom. That's what we're thinking about. That's what we're doing. Again, pronouns take the place of a noun. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Jeff is a person. A place is Louisville, Kentucky. Those are nouns. A proper noun, instead of being a state, which is a common noun, a proper noun would be like Kentucky. So again, nouns describe person, place, things, and animals, and then pronouns substitute for nouns. We have two kinds that we're dealing with. The subject of the sentence, I am going home, we are going home, they are going home. And then we have the object pronoun, object of the action, talking, watching, eating, sleeping, drinking, whatever it might be. Again, all these action words. That's what we're doing. And that's the direction we're taking. This is very important because we're going to be moving into adjectives, which explain what kind of things, what they really mean, describe things. But now we are dealing with action, and we're dealing with pronouns, and we're dealing with subject pronouns. That's all for today. It's a lot, but you know what? Pronouns are fun. See you next time.